So guys, we are going to start that automation on the F5 to create the whip through our controlling system. I am using the Ansible, and this is the jump box or any Linux server. So it's connected through F5. Okay, so my Linux system is this. Okay, and here we my F5 box is this one. Now I'm entering login that page. It's slow because I am using in my personal laptop. So here you can see the virtual server. This one I can delete. One also pool. I have already. I use only for test only. So I have delete that. It's personal. I am not using any name. It's a random name. Okay. Okay. So no node, no whip, and no pool. So now I am going to my device, this one. I have a coding here, Ansible folder, and in Ansible one. So I am using the Visual Studio Code for that. Okay, to connect my Linux server. Okay, this is the Visual Studio Code. It's trying to open that my Linux server. This one, the IP of that. Yeah, this one. I have the SSH connection for that Visual Studio Code, and my Linux server means Jumpbox server. So it's fetching the data from that. So I have a desktop, and that desktop I have the Ansible folder, and inside the Ansible I have the Ansible one folder. So I here my desktop and CD Ansible one. Okay, now this is my code, and here I have the inventory, this one. Here's my web server group, but I am not in this group. I am not using this. This is the F5 group, and I am using this F5 device only. So to create the node, I am taking the runtime data for that. Instead of that group, I am using the runtime data. So for F5, I can also use runtime, but we have created the inventory. So from inventory, I am taking that data. So I will go to the, I have created the front end for that. So I will go on the my jump box. I will go here, and here I type localhost and this form. We have created this form. User will fill that, and it will auto populate in my device, and I run that. Then production, any. Oh, it's got failed. Oh no. Now try again. Oh, this one abc.com. Now I use the standard, use the AT, use the TCP, use the TCP protocol, and server name is agent.com. Okay, then IP 144, we have taken 150.45. There is the option server port 80, round robin, monitor HTTP and use the nice port HTTP. Then we can fill all the other things, and all the things are good. Now we can review the request. So it's okay to me. Okay, now I will go to my this one. I will see the data file. I got that. This one. Okay, now I will run that command, my playbook. But the file name is the create node. Yes, it's made the connection. Now it's creating the node. The color is green because it's change that the create pool, add the member in pool, create the virtual server also. Now it's saving the configuration in the disk. Yeah, now change all the tasks changed. Okay, now we will go to that our F5. Last we have checked that there was no node, pool and web. Okay, now we'll check the node. It should be, yeah, sachin.com, and the IP is 145. We have taken that. We have taken node. Yes, this one is the pool. Yeah, ABC pool, and the member of the pool, that's one. Okay, now we will go to the virtual server. We have the virtual server, the same name of the pool, and we have taken the IP 132 because that is the next phase our to how to take the destination address for that, but it's taken 132 because I have done that hard code through hard code. So all the things are that, and it's taking the pool, the same pool. Yeah, abc.com. So that's the thing, and it's taking the virtual address, sorry, destination, the web. This one because I have taken the hard code is for that. If you will go there, I will the inventory. Here I have given that. So it also can taken through form, but that will be show in the next phase. Okay, and one thing also, I have did not take the HTTP monitor for that. We can also use that HTTP monitor for same thing. That's the easy task. In next slide, I will sure attach that monitor with my pool also. Here I have not taken any monitor. I forget that. Uh, so in pool, that's a easy thing to take that any monitor. Otherwise, we can create monitor and then we can attach the